What's up, guys? Welcome back. This week we're going to be doing another variation on the Negroni. All right, this one's going to be using a Jamaican rum, and it's called the Kingston Negroni. All right, so let's just get into it. First thing we're going to need is 30 mils of a Sweet Vermouth, then 30 mils Campari, and then 30 mil of a Jamaican Rum. We're going to give that a good stir. We're going to whip out a rocks glass with a big rock in it. Pour it in there, and we're gonna garnish it off with an orange twist. Like every other Negroni variation, guys, just like that. That's simple, 3 ingredients, all equal parts on this one as well. The only difference between this and a standard Negroni is obviously we swapped out the gin for a rum. You can use any kind of rum you want. Obviously, like whatever you have at home will more than work okay. Like it'll do fine, right? The traditional spec does call for a Jamaican rum, specifically a Smith & Cross Jamaican rum. I don't have Smith & Cross, but I have Appleton Estate 8 years, so I'm going with that instead. The reason it calls specifically for Jamaican rum is because Jamaican rums have like this kind of funk to them, and it stands out quite well when you match it with bitter or herbal spirits like Campari or a Sweet Vermouth. Yeah, like, it's the Jamaican, using the Jamaican rum, that funk kind of like, in a weird way, I hope this makes sense, it like wraps around all of it. You get your bitter red Campari in there, right? A little bit of citrus notes in there. You get your Sweet Vermouth, which is just silky smooth, rich, sweet, herbal notes coming out there. And then you have your Jamaican rum. It blends really well with those other two, and it almost, in a way, the funk just, it's like a coat. It wraps around everything and you can drink it, and it's just fantastic. The Kingston Negroni was actually created by Joaquin Simo at the Death & Co bar in New York back in 2009. So because it's a fairly new cocktail, there's not a whole lot to go off about it, right? The main important thing is that like you're using a rum, and then if you possibly can, use a Jamaican rum. Would this be my go-to Negroni variation? Probably not. It's not my go-to at all. I like a good classic, or I just go with the Boulevardier, but because of the rum, the sweetness is a little bit higher, at least it comes off that way, right? So because of that, it probably wouldn't be my go-to, but I would happily order this at a bar. It is a very delicious drink, and of course, look at that beautiful red, right? That is all that I have for you today, guys. Very quick today, very short and sweet. If you haven't had this one, give it a try. I recommend it. You won't be disappointed. Let me know what rums you guys are using too, because I'd love to like try and swap them out, see what you guys are using, put them in there. If you have any other cocktails you think I should be doing on this channel, please let me know. If you like what I'm doing with this channel, hit me up in the comments. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, guys. There's gonna be more every single week. But until next time, keep stirring. Cheers. Honestly, it's really freaking good. Like, I could just sit here and drink this all day.